choices that you've made, mistakes again that you may have made in the past. Like those things, don't judge what you did then based on who you are now. Okay, 2020, it wasn't 2025 yet. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Let's get Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Hey IG, it's good to see you on as well. What's going on YouTube, okay? If you are new here, we talk all things premium courses, online, face-to-face, how you can use what it is that you know, your knowledge, your lived experiences, your expertise, and we're going to talk about that today, okay, to package it into online courses, face-to-face courses, luxury mentorship and coaching programs. So if you are watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification, so you know when more episodes like this drop or what is going on. Great morning, IG, as well. All right, let's get into today's topic. Is stop judging. All right, and I don't mean stop judging other people. I mean stop judging you. Maybe you are judging past versions of yourself. Maybe you are judging your past mistakes, failures, or choices in general, okay, whether they led to success or not. And I need you to stop judging you based on information you had back then, okay? Stop judging you based on your present version. You're judging past you. And I'm gonna tell you how this came up for me. This came up for me, I was over this weekend looking through yearbook photos, okay? Like wild. I never really do that, but somebody brought it up, someone I went to school with. They brought it up. I was looking through these yearbook photos and I remember a time, okay? Don't judge me. But I remember a time where like the butterfly hair clips were in style, right? Different clothing that we wore was in style, and it's not the same today. And so one of my friends were like, what was that in your hair? Because the photos in the yearbook were kind of like black and white a little bit, like not full color. And so I'm like, those butterfly clips, remember? And they're like, oh yeah, I remember those, because I was looking like, what is that? And I was like, don't judge. Okay, don't judge, because it wasn't 2025 yet. And so I need to bring that message, like same thing, right? For whatever you're thinking about, going back to choices that you've made, mistakes again that you may have made in the past, like those things, don't judge what you did then based on who you are now. Okay, 2020, it wasn't 2025 yet. All right, you would make a different decision likely today than you would have back then, but please give yourself some grace and know that you did the best you could with the information you had at the time to make that decision. Okay, it's not the same information you have available to you today. So often, and I think it's a human thing too, we start to look at our lives and we start to examine, well, why did I make that decision? Why did I would have avoided that mistake if I had just done this. But that's you judging you, okay, your past you based on the information you have now. And we can't do that. You got to give yourself some grace. And so I looked at this photo of myself in the yearbook and I was like, I love her, right? Like, I love her. I'm giving her some grace, because those butterfly clips, although they are not popping today, okay, they were popping back then, all right? Perms were still popping, so I had the perm with the curly, I tried to make it curly, like, listen, it was a whole vibe. And then I don't even know what kind of shirt I had on. They were like, look at your shirt. I was like, it was actually a dress, okay? And I'm not going to judge me, because my mom was still buying my clothes back then. Most of them, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, like, those are her choices. But yeah, I put it on. I wore it, right? But I'm not going to judge. I wouldn't wear it necessarily today. But back then, some of the things were in style. What's going on, Cash 27? It's good to see you. Kayak, that gal, hello. I appreciate y'all being here today, and I appreciate all the love. And so, same energy on today. Give yourself some grace, give yourself some love, okay? Past versions of yourself. Even when you're teaching this thing, I got to tie it into online courses somehow, some way, okay? And it always does tie in. When you're teaching your courses, your programs, and you're putting them together, a lot of times you are going to have to recall some of the mistakes that you made, some of the things that you went through. And I always say this, teach from scars, okay, not wounds. So scars being like places that maybe you have healed from, okay, not things that are still open, because some of that stuff will come up. And so I always have available assistance in my programs for people who may need some additional resources as those things start to come up. And it's okay. Like, we all do it. But I need you to give yourself some grace, okay? As you're recalling past mistakes, past failures or lessons, if you will. I call them lessons because we learn from them all the time. As you're recalling past life experiences, give yourself grace, all right? Know that you did the best you could with the information that you had back then, and now you're packaging it for somebody else so that they can avoid the mistakes that you made, okay? So they don't have to go down the same road. Like butterfly clips, we're not doing that in 2025, okay? Unless you want to, unless that's your thing, right? But maybe it's not the style in 2025, and that's okay. So that's something that somebody could be able to learn from, okay? So I just need to put this here. Give yourself some grace today. Enjoy your day today, and know that in 10 years, 5 years from now, you may be thinking the same things. You know, things are consistently changing and evolving around us, our society, our environment, and your life experiences in general overall. And so give yourself the grace that you need today. 5 years from now, you'll be thinking the same thing, looking back like, why did I do that again? Also, you could get where it is that you currently are, okay? 5 years, 10 years in the future, and you can be able to teach the lessons that you have learned along the way to somebody else so they can avoid some of the mistakes that you made, all right? I love y'all so much. If you're interested in getting started and packaging what you know, go to jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. You're going to see a free training over there. It takes less than 30 minutes to go through. You will also see free resources as well as paid resources over there. So you decide your path, okay, to success. You pick and choose what's the resources that you need right now to help you implement and go forward. I'm also excited. There's a special announcement that I am making very soon in the next couple of days. So you need to be on the wait list in order to get the announcement, okay? It's going to be super fun. Lots of fun things coming, all right? So if you're interested in packaging your course with me and you want my help, my feedback, my expertise, my eyes on what it is that you are creating, and you want to do it with me, you want to do it together, get on the wait list. There's going to be a link. I'll drop it right after we hop off this live. I'll drop it down below. It'll say jumpfirstacademy.org/waitlist and have some numbers after that, okay? So just tap that link or copy paste that link into your browser and put your name on the wait list so that you get the announcement first, all right? I love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. Again, to get started, there's an on-demand training at jumpfirstacademy.org. I appreciate you as well, IG. All right, I'm out of here, y'all. Have an amazing, amazing start to this new week, and I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.